I recently purchased this on AmiAmi. So first I got this AmiAmi card that says thank you for shopping at AmiAmi. So I purchased the Petite Clara Alan Naruto Shippuden set. This is made by Mega House. On the top of the box you see Naruto and Sasuke. And on the side of the box you see the figures that you could get. So you could get Naruto, Sasuke, Kakashi, Madara, Hashirama, Orochimaru. You can see here that it's made by Mega House. Now this set you can see Madara and Orochimaru here. And here you can see Hashirama. And at the bottom you just see Petite Clara Naruto Shippuden. So yeah, I already opened it. I already opened the boxes, but I haven't seen what's inside. So here's the first box. All the boxes are the same. So yeah, the top is you can see Naruto and Sasuke, the same as the big box. Here's the Naruto and Sasuke, Madara and Hashirama. The back is Orochimaru and Kakashi and Orochimaru. Okay. And here's like I opened up the back. Okay. And here you see Naruto and Sasuke. So first figure that I got is Kakashi. Okay. Second box is Sasuke. Okay, guess like this neck is like this stand. You can see the feet. His feet are like the pegs. Okay, the figure that I get is the figure is Orochimaru. Okay, that's my fourth. Okay. And this one is Naruto. And this one, he comes with his own stand. So yeah. And the stand says Naruto. Here. Okay. That's my next figure. Okay. The next figure is Madara. As the same as Naruto, he also gets his own stand that says his name. Yeah. Okay, my last figure is I think it's Hashirama. Yeah, and it's Hashirama. And here's this figure. And here's like his stand. Yeah, so here are like those figures again. Kakashi, Sasuke, yeah, Sasuke, Orochimaru, Madara, Naruto, and finally Hashirama. So yeah, I picked this up at AmiAmi, and it came this week. So yeah.